Today we're going to talk about SCADA, which stands for Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition. SCADA systems are used in industries like power, water treatment, oil and gas, and more, to help control and monitor important processes. What is SCADA? SCADA systems use computers and sensors to gather information from the field, process it, and display it on a screen for operators to monitor. This information helps operators keep industrial processes running smoothly and safely in real time. SCADA also allows operators to control these processes from a remote location by sending commands to the field devices. Applications of SCADA. SCADA is used in many industries, including energy, water, oil and gas, transportation, manufacturing, building management, and agriculture. Advantages of SCADA. SCADA offers many benefits, including improved efficiency, central monitoring, up-to-date information, remote control, and increased safety. With SCADA, operators can monitor multiple processes from one location, making things faster and reducing the risk of mistakes. Disadvantages of SCADA. However, SCADA systems can also have some drawbacks, such as cost, complexity, vulnerability to cyber attacks, limited customization, and dependence on technology. Implementing and using a SCADA system can be expensive and require specialized training. Additionally, because SCADA systems are connected to the internet, they can be vulnerable to cyber attacks that could harm industrial processes. Conclusion. In conclusion, SCADA is a useful system for monitoring and controlling industrial processes. While it offers many advantages, it's important to consider the disadvantages and weigh the costs and benefits before using it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And if you found this video informative, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos about technology and industrial control systems.